Vinyl plank flooring is everywhere these days. It looks great, it's easy to install. Plus, it's really tough. Whether you're renovating your kitchen, updating your living room, or even redoing your entire home, vinyl plank flooring is a fantastic choice. Its versatility and durability make it a favorite among homeowners and designers alike. The wide range of colors and textures available means you can find the perfect match for any room in your house. Vinyl plank can handle kids, pets, and spills. Imagine your kids playing with their toys, your dog running around, or even an accidental wine spill during a dinner party. Vinyl plank flooring stands up to all of it. It's designed to be resilient and withstand the daily wear and tear of a busy household. Plus, its water-resistant properties make it an excellent choice for areas prone to moisture, like kitchens and bathrooms. That's why so many folks are choosing it. When you walk into a flooring store, you'll see a wide array of vinyl plank options. Homeowners are drawn to its realistic wood look, variety of styles, and the fact that it fits into any budget. It's no wonder it's becoming the go-to flooring choice. The ease of installation also means you can save on labor costs if you decide to do it yourself. But even tough floors need some TLC. Just like any other part of your home, your vinyl plank flooring will benefit from regular maintenance. Keeping it clean and well-maintained ensures it stays looking beautiful and lasts for years to come. Regular care can also help maintain the floor's warranty, giving you peace of mind. Taking care of your vinyl plank is simple. With just a few basic cleaning tools and a regular routine, you can keep your floors in top condition. A quick vacuum or sweep to remove dirt and debris, followed by a damp mop, is usually all it takes. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive tools that could damage the surface. A few easy steps will keep it looking new for years. Regular cleaning not only keeps your floors looking great, but also helps prevent scratches and other damage. We'll show you the best techniques to ensure your floors stay pristine. Simple habits like placing mats at entryways can also help reduce the amount of dirt and grit that gets tracked onto your floors. We'll walk you through everything you need to know. From the best cleaning products to use to tips on preventing damage, we've got all the information you need. Our step-by-step guides make it easy to follow along and keep your floors in perfect condition. From quick cleanups to preventing damage, we've got you covered. Whether it's a small spill or a more significant issue, knowing how to handle it can make all the difference. We'll provide you with practical advice and solutions for every situation. This way, you can ensure your floors remain as beautiful as the day they were installed. Let's get started on the road to happy, healthy floors. With our tips and guidance, you'll be able to enjoy your beautiful vinyl plank flooring for many years to come. So, let's dive in and discover how to make the most of this fantastic flooring option. Your home deserves the best, and with vinyl plank flooring, you can achieve a stunning look that lasts. Dirt and grit might seem harmless, but they're actually tiny scratching machines. Each day, sweep or vacuum your vinyl plank. This gets rid of anything that can dull the shine. It also prevents dirt from getting ground in. Think of it like washing your face. A quick sweep keeps everything looking fresh. Don't use harsh scrubbers on your floors. These can scratch the surface. Stick with soft bristled brooms or vacuums. Mopping cleans up spills and sticky messes. Use a cleaner made for vinyl floors. Don't use too much water. Too much water can seep into the cracks. This can damage the flooring over time. Wring out your mop well before each pass. Your floors will thank you. Some folks use harsh chemicals on their vinyl. Avoid these. They can strip away the protective layer. Stick with cleaners made for vinyl plank. These are gentle and effective. Vinyl plank is tough, but it can still scratch. Put felt pads on the bottom of furniture legs. This prevents scratches when you move things. Be careful with heavy objects. Don't drag them across the floor. Lift and carry instead. A little care goes a long way in protecting your floors. Don't let heavy objects sit directly on the floor. Use furniture pads to distribute the weight. This prevents dents and impressions. Section 5. Sunshine is not your friend. Fading and flooring. Direct sunlight can fade your beautiful floors. Use curtains or blinds to block the strongest rays. This is especially important for south-facing rooms. They get the most sun. Protecting your floors from UV rays keeps them looking their best. Don't leave rugs in the same spot for too long. This can create uneven fading patterns. Rotate your rugs every few months to let the floor age evenly. Section 6. Stains happen. Act fast, don't panic. Spills happen. Clean them up right away. Don't let them sit on the floor for too long. Use a soft cloth and the right cleaner. For tough stains, check the manufacturer's instructions. They may have specific cleaning recommendations. Don't use abrasive cleaners or scrubbers on stains. They can damage the floor. blot gently, and work from the outside in. Section 7. The don'ts of vinyl, common mistakes to avoid. In this section, we'll dive into the pitfalls that many people encounter when caring for their vinyl plank flooring. It's crucial to be aware of these mistakes to ensure the longevity and beauty of your floors. By understanding what to avoid, you can save yourself from costly repairs and keep your floors looking pristine. We've talked about what to do. Proper maintenance is key, but knowing what to avoid is equally important. Let's go over some of the most common errors people make. These mistakes can often be easily avoided with a little knowledge and attention to detail. Now let's cover what not to do. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't use steam cleaners. The intense heat from steam cleaners can cause significant damage. This is one of the most common errors and can be easily avoided by using the right tools. The heat can warp your vinyl plank, leading to unsightly and often irreversible damage. Always opt for gentler cleaning methods. Using a mild cleaner and a damp mop is usually sufficient for regular maintenance. Don't use wax or polish. While it might seem like a good idea to give your floor a shiny finish, these products can actually do more harm than good. They can create a buildup that is difficult to remove. These can leave a slippery residue, making your floor hazardous to walk on. Additionally, the buildup can dull the appearance of your vinyl over time. It's best to stick to products specifically designed for vinyl flooring. Don't let water stand. Vinyl flooring is water resistant, but not waterproof. Wipe up spills immediately to prevent damage. Standing water can seep into the seams and cause the planks to lift or curl. This can lead to more extensive damage if not addressed promptly. Following these simple tips will keep your vinyl plank looking great for years to come. Regular maintenance and avoiding these common mistakes will ensure your floors remain in top condition. A little effort goes a long way in preserving the beauty of your flooring. Section 8. Happy floors, happy home. Enjoy your beautiful space. Your home is your sanctuary, and nothing feels better than stepping into a space that radiates cleanliness, comfort, and style. It's a place where you can truly relax and unwind. You've done it. You're now a vinyl plank pro. With your dedication and effort, you've transformed your floors into a stunning feature of your home. Every step you take on those pristine floors is a testament to your hard work and attention to detail. By following these easy tips, your floors will stay beautiful for years. Remember to sweep regularly to remove dust and debris, mop wisely with a damp mop to avoid water damage, and always use gentle cleaning solutions to maintain the floor's shine. And protect from scratches and sun. Use felt pads under furniture to prevent scratches, and keep curtains drawn during peak sunlight hours to avoid fading. These small steps can make a big difference in preserving the beauty of your floors. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, give us a like and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. We appreciate every like, comment, and subscription. We're here to help you keep your home looking its best. From cleaning tips to maintenance advice, we've got you covered. Our goal is to make your home a place of pride and joy. Now go enjoy those gorgeous floors. Take pride in your hard work and relish the beauty of your well-maintained home. Your space is a reflection of you, and it looks fantastic. Celebrate your success and enjoy every moment in your beautiful space.